Hi, I'm Will.
And I'm Robyn, and we're building on our land.
We always knew we wanted to buy a few acres of land and build our own home, a place where our kids could play freely.
After dreaming about it for so long, when we were finally ready, we had a wish list. We knew we wanted to stay in the same school zone. We also wanted at least 2 acres of land with a view, preferably by the water.
We spent years looking at properties until we found the one. We almost lost it because we didn't have our approval letter ready. After purchasing, we had to ensure the land was buildable, so our builder did a soil test before we could move forward.
Based on our experience, if you plan to build on your own land, we recommend having your approval letter ready and choosing which builder you want in advance.
I would add that if you're not on a tight timeline and can wait for the right property, wait. We nearly settled for several properties that didn't meet our criteria, but waiting paid off when the perfect one finally came along. Stay tuned for the next video
In our Build on Your Land journey.